Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Courage. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you three e-commerce niches, three niches here that can make you a millionaire in 2 months, 60 days, right? Now, these niches are very hot niches. In these niches, you'll find products that are high in demand, products that you can sell tons and volumes of these products every day. But then there is a kind of a roadblock or an embargo that you need to overcome to be able to sell these products. And I can assure you that once you are able to sell these products, you are definitely, take it from me, you are definitely going to become, you're going to make millions of money in 60 days. I'm sharing from a place of experience because, of course, I play in this industry. I do the e-commerce, and I'm telling you that for real, because we have found a way to sell these products, we are able to make this kind of money. So if you also find a way to sell these products, just like I'm going to show you in this video, you yourself, you are going to make a whole lot of money selling these same products, just like we are doing. All right. Now, it's no longer news here that e-commerce is making a lot of young people rich, especially in Nigeria and in Africa. Of course, in other parts of the world, so many young people are getting into e-commerce now, and it's an industry that anyone can come in, do your own thing, and make a lot of money from it. So you too can make a lot of money from e-commerce if you know the right products to sell and how to sell these products. Okay, yeah, that's the thing. Now, the niches I'm going to review to you are hot selling niches. Once you find a way to sell the products in these niches, you become a millionaire for real. Like, you're not going to make a whole lot of millions, but I mean, 4 million, 5 million naira, something like that. Just all those kind of small millions. You can begin to manage them. That's a guarantee. All right, guys. I'll ask you to please give this video a thumbs up. Just like this video so that more people get to see this video. And if you are new to this channel and you would like to see more content like this, kindly consider subscribing and also turn on the bell icon so that you'll be among the first people to get notified whenever I post videos, right? Without wasting time, guys, let's dive into it. Let me show you these three niches that you can start selling these products. And then, of course, in 60 days, that's in 2 months, you get to start counting in millions of naira. Now, the first niche is the health niche, right? Of course, there are sub niches under health niche, which I will show you, which I will tell you, like you have seen it here on the slide. But the problem with this niche is selling the products. Facebook, which is the ultimate advert platform where people advertise and promote this product, Facebook frown at products like this. So how do you get to sell these products and bypass the Facebook ad ban? Because honestly, nobody is above that ban. The ban can land on anyone at any time, right? So, yeah, but of course, people are also selling these products. If you look around, people are selling these products, and Facebook is unable to trace them most of the time. And you too can, find a way to sell these products. But then let's look at the products. The first one is infection treatment, right? Being that I'm using a country like Nigeria or some African nations as an example, being that this the country has a lot of there is a lot of people, there are a lot of people who live below average, like they live on less than $5, $1 a day. So the rate of infection is quite high, and people are trying to stay healthy. Then it's difficult to stay healthy in an economy that is not very rich. Do you understand? So there's a lot of infection out there, toilet infection, name them, so many of them. So these people are actually looking out for treatments, looking out for medications, for drugs, for medicines, whatever it is that can help them overcome these infections. And they are willing to pay any amount as far as you have a product that can solve their problem. And that is where this infection treatment comes in. Now, there are so many drugs, there are so many medications on this infection treatment, but does it work? That's the question. So if you can find a product that works, a product that has, that is effective in treating this infection, I assure you, you're going to make a whole lot of money. There are so many treats. People want to treat so many things. Even pile. If you can give them a product that can help them. So people have pile issues of pile. Do you understand? I know people who have made millions of money, bought cars and bought land and start building house by selling just pile products. The question is, how do you sell these products? Now, there are ways you can sell these products. You can either build a list, right? Now, how do you build this kind of list? You come to Facebook, you don't start saying come and treat your pile or something like that. Facebook is going to flag your advert and they're going to ban your ad account, right? So you need to be creative with your advert, right? You can say you can just give a report, like free report, 3 home remedies for pile treatment. Do you understand? Then once they click on that link, they will just put in their info, their details like phone number, email address, and stuff. And then you send them a mail with your offer and the sales page. That is one of the ways. Another way is to use a bridge between the ad and the sales page. Facebook is still going to find a way to go across your bridge, get your sales page, and ban your ad account. So instead of trying to be smart, you might want to comply with the rule of adverts, or you go through the building a list pattern. Because when you build this list, you have this list to yourself. You are able to sell to them over and over and over and over. Now, alternatively, if you don't have that finance, or if you don't want to go through that process of building a list, you can actually partner with someone who has a list. Do you understand? For instance, if you are selling a product for 15K and your profit in the product is 10K, you can partner with someone who has a list and tell the person that, hey, I am going to give you 4K for everyone who purchases this product via your list. Then the person takes 4K, you keep 6K. Do you understand? It's a win-win situation for everyone. In that way, you have been able to overcome the ban from Facebook. Then the next one is fertility products. Women, they want this stuff. But do you know that this fertility issue is not just for women? Some men also battle infertility in the terms of low sperm count and many of those kind of issues, right? So these people are looking out for solution. If you have a product, or if you know any product that is effective and can offer solution to their problems, you are going to count money. You will tire. Honestly, man, women, when they get married 2 years, 3 years, they've not had any kids, they start getting worried. Like, I mean, it's just 2 years. Relax, calm down. There's still time. They don't want to hear that. They want sharp, sharp, sharp stuff, right? So they are willing to try out different forms of products, different kind of fertility products, teas, tablets, this and that, just to help them conceive. And if you have a product that you think can help them, but you don't have to think. It's not a product that you think. If you have a product that has proven to be effective and you sell it to them, they are going to buy more. They're going to recommend their friends. The same thing for men. In fact, for men, it is even more serious because men want to procreate. Men want to be able to impregnate their wife, right? Their women. So if these men who suffer from low stuff like that or low libido and stuff like that, like they like to get stuff like this, and then you have the products, they're going to pay you. Most of them don't even care if the product works or not. Your marketing is what's going to sell the product. But I always advise that you sell a product that works. Is that cool? That's number one. That's the first niche, health niche. The second one is enhancement products or enhancement products, right? Now, this product, it could be male enhancement, it could be female enhancement, it could also be sexual enhancement products. Now, for the male enhancement products, it could be, the enlargement stuff. Now, this thing, especially in Nigeria, where everybody you want to have the big bowler and the stuff like that. You know what I'm talking about. The enlargement stuff. See, men, I don't know. It's not like you understand. I don't know why they always want to buy that product, but honestly, people love to get that product. They want to have this big bowler. They just want to have. I don't know what it does for them, but they want to have it, right? So You find these products every day selling on Instagram, and you think it's a joke. These guys are making a whole lot of money. They are making tons of money every day. I'm talking of millions. They're making millions every day, right? I'm telling you that you're going to make millions in 2 months, 60 days. It's far. People are making these millions every day selling these same products. Just for you to know how hot the industry is, how hot this niche is, right? Female enhancements too. Like women want to have large, this thing here, large front and large back. I don't know what they need it for. I don't know why they're having it, but they want to have it, right? And then they are buying product. They tell them rub this thing, they will rub it. Rub ori, they will rub it. Rub this one, they will rub it in their bum bum. Rub it here. They just keep rubbing this stuff, right? Because they want to enhance this thing. They want to make it bigger. They want to make it grow and stuff like that. And most of these products don't even work. But because these people want these things badly, they spend a lot of money testing different products until they find that one that works. Now, imagine that you're able to get a product that works. Imagine how much more you're going to make. Do you get me? Imagine that you give them a product and they see a sign that the product is working, kind of. They're going to buy more from you. And you know the good thing about this kind of products that you don't sell just one. Like, for instance, if this is a product, if this is the product and this is one, right? You don't sell just one because one does not give effective results. They buy from like 3 packs, 4 packs. And for instance, one pack could be 15K. 2 packs instead of 30K, you tell them 2 packs is 22K. Now, 3 packs instead of 45K, you tell them that 3 packs is 30K. So they are buying 3 packs for the price of 2. They are rushing it. Do you see how these people are able to sell faster, sell more faster because they are making an offer, right? Then the next one, the one that is selling go, that is the one that is selling mad, is sexual enhancement products or more. Have you seen these Kola Kalabo people? You see them on Instagram, on Facebook, everywhere, even on Twitter, right? You see I don't know their name, Michelle. There are so many of them. There are so many of them. People want to fire down. Honestly, man, people want to fire down. Like, for this country, in this Nigeria, in Africa, in fact, everywhere, every part of the world, people love to, do the do all the time. I don't know. I don't know why they love to do the do. If you know, you can tell me, right? If you know, you can tell me, but I don't know why they love to do the do. But then, honestly, people love to do the do. And then, of course, nobody wants to be an Indomie person now. Like, they want to fire down constantly, as in, they want to the fire, they go. So if you find a product, like if you can promise them, if you can give them an assurance that this your product is going to help them to fire down, they will listen to you. Not just that, they are going to spend their money buying from you. Every day on Instagram, you must see at least 10 adverts, 20 adverts talking on this same fire down. Why do you think that these people spend money on advert every day? Why do you see that all these influencers, all these small influencers, that people are paying them money and they're doing this advert every day? It's because people are buying. It's because the product is selling. If a product is not selling continuously, nobody's going to put money into adverts continuously like that, right? So because the product, there's a mad turnover, there's a mad sales going on, there's a mad conversion going on. So these companies are spending more money on adverts to ensure that they keep selling these products. Hello? These products are selling every day, and you can take advantage of them. If you have anyone that is proven to sell, you are going to sell, you're going to make a whole lot of money. I'm telling you for a fact, right? You can sell via Instagram, all right? You can also sell via building a list, or you can sell you can just make a post and advertise it like, 3 ways or 3 natural exercises that can enhance your performance in the other room. Don't use some words. If there are some words you use and Facebook will ban you. So you can just use 3 natural remedies to permanently overcoming Indomie situation, or that kind of thing. Just use creative ways. People are going to click on the link to get the remedy. So once they click on that link and put their detail, you send them a mail, follow up sharp, or you collect their WhatsApp number and follow up on WhatsApp. You're going to sell a whole lot. If Facebook is not allowing you, find a creative way to use that Facebook to get them out of Facebook and sell to them out of Facebook. That's what we do. That's what many of us do. That's what you are going to do too, right? Let's go to the third one. Beauty products. That's the third one, beauty products. Women love to feel beautiful all the time. Women love compliments. Women love to be adored. They love to be worshipped. They love to be attractive. They just love to be the center of attraction. And how does this come about? They love to look beautiful, right? So that's why this bleaching cream, all these things sell. Color enhancement, it sells now. Toning cream, like people who have this melanin color, they want their melanin to pop. I don't know if these creams work, but they do buy them. Like they spend a whole lot of money. You will see a small something like this, so very, very small. It's an bleaching cream. How much? 25,000. Small something. People are buying it every day because they want to maintain color or they want to. Do you understand? So that's the thing. Teeth whitening. People love to have a brighter and beautiful smile. It's not just ladies, men, women, everyone wants to have a brighter and beautiful smile. So they try to, get this teeth whitening product so that when they smile, when they smile, when they smile, they smile. So yeah, people love to have a bright and beautiful smile, so they buy this kind of products. Yeah. Then this acne treatment, nobody wants to have pimple. See, have you seen a lady that battles acne? They feel withdrawn. They feel withdrawn. They don't want to go out. They don't want to mix. They don't want to take pictures. It runs them crazy. It runs them mad. They will do anything to take it off. They will do anything to treat it, to overcome it. If you have a product that can solve that problem for them, you are going to make money. I assure you. Right? Then the stretch marks remover. We sold that one now. When we used to import them from China. I'm talking of far back as 2017 or thereabouts. We sold those ones where till tomorrow, women, this stretch marks thing is natural, but many of them still do not want to have it. So they're going to spend a lot of money trying to, rub those creams to take it off. Then there's anti-aging. They don't want to age. I don't know why they don't want to age. Anti-wrinkles, anti-stretch, anti-aging. Women don't want to age. So if you can find any product in the beauty space that can guarantee women of looking beautiful, more desirable, more attractive, and become the center of attraction, they're going to give you their money, because the truth is that women have money, especially Nigerian women. Nigerian women have money. They have money. And there is a legal way and a moral way to collect this money from them without harassment or whatever. Give them a product that's going to make them feel beautiful, and they're going to gladly give you their money. Simple. All right. So yes, these are the three niches. The health niche. In the health niche, you are selling the fertility product and the infection treatment product, right? Then in the second niche is the enhancement products, which is the male enhancement, female enhancement, and the sexual enhancement products. Women want to have that wet area, they want to have it wet and stuff like that. While men want to last 24 hours on top somebody's daughter. I don't know why, but if you know why, you can tell me. All right. Then the third one is the beauty niche. Women love to feel beautiful. If you can assure them, if you can give them something that will make them feel beautiful, they'll give you their money. Right? So those are the three niches. So let me know which one you have been doing, and let me know which one that you'd like to go into, and let me know if you have any question. I will be happy to answer all your questions. Ask your questions in the comment section of this video. I will attend to all your questions. If you have any comments, please leave them here. All right. Thank you guys for watching this video. Kindly give this video a thumbs up, like this video, leave a comment, share this video to as many people as possible. And I am going to see you in my next video, guys. Cheers. Yeah.